In my series, Wellness and the Pandemic, one of the things that people have asked me is how do you have healthy snacks, healthy food when you're always walking past the refrigerator? So I did a Costco visit this week and I thought I would share with you some of the things that I have in my fridge. So one of my favorite items are these egg bites. Now I know we can make our own ones and I've certainly made a video on the egg white bites, but these have only 2 grams of net carbs and they're so easy to heat up. I really love these for breakfast. When I don't have a smoothie, I have an egg white bite. And then another great snack are these hard-boiled eggs. I know we can make them ourselves, but I know my husband loves these hard-boiled eggs and they are great snacks or great meals. You can make egg salad, all kinds of ways to use these eggs once they're already there for you. Then for produce, so it's hard to know how much produce to get and the produce goes off. So when you buy it organic and frozen from Costco, you always have it there. So I have the organic blueberries and the organic mixed berries, which are great in smoothies or great for a snack. That's our sweet delight. Then one of my favorite proteins when I'm not sure what to make for dinner is these paleo organic basil and cracked black pepper sausages. They're absolutely delicious, very low in carbs, and they make a great meal or a snack. And then to get our good probiotics, prebiotics, pickles. These pickles you could wrap in some organic turkey. That would be a great snack. And always have pickles on hand. And then of course nuts. You always want to have some good healthy organic nuts. Great for a snack. Remember to chew them really well. So the secret is preparation. And when you have these food items there that do last quite a long time, then you're less likely to go to the cupboard for the less healthy snacks. So Wellness in the Pandemic, I also have a Costco shopping list that I'm also going to make available to you so that you can also get well prepared to eat healthy during this time.